Okay, let's go.
Gago ang puta.
Hey. Oh, it's classic.
Ano classic? Gago.
Hardcore. One, two. Right side guys, run the chest.
Baba.
Run the chest.
Nabigla tayo dun. Ang inang yan. Tuloy lang. Naka-ready heal ah. Early ko na, tatamaan. Guys lang. Ya. Bago bakit nangangarog? Utang na nakancel yung heal ko. Upal.
One.
Cancelan ako ng mini heal. May mini heal ka na.
Guys, that run now because... meron ako.
Ang kulang DPS natin. Ano meron?
Ako break ko. Ay, hindi naman.
Sa DPS natin bro, ano nangyayari?
Walang boss. Pero ko mga pala yun.
Ito gago sa pula ko na na.
Five claw.
Later, I think.
Meron pa kayo ng life.
One. Two. Let's go guys. Run now. Run. I have no mini heal. Still safe?
3 minutes.
Ito
Okay.
safe ko. May heal dyan. Nasa swipe ah. Para makarecover kayo. Ano mo? Naputol yung ano ko? Drop na yun ah. Sa ano ah. Asian naman so okay lang. So sayang.
Hammer break. Swiping. Ice claw. Okay.
Can DPS.
One. Two.
Right side.
Right side. Run now.
Up.
You can run now, bitches. Safe zone.
Stay safe.
Baltazar, pasaling mo ako Baltazar. Gakor.
Ay gago nga boy. Patay pa si Bay. Utang ina mo Vice. Ang tanga mo.
Pasikat.
Ang tanga
Ayan,
mo.
boss.
Legit lang ah.
Di lang, boss.
Legit lang.
Well, we pumped like 200 points there. Okay.
Go straight to cannon 1. Spike.
Nilayo ko na lang sarili ko. Ano kasi tayo eh.
Right now, come.
Lapit
Nawakam.
ako.
Nawakam.
I'm coming, bro.
Jumping, jumping, jumping. Careful bola.
Can DA now. Die.
Guys, hi. It's okay. Just gonna.
Okay, ito
Okay, so
Oh, he can sama ulti. Fuck.
Tayo mo na, pre. Anong baba? Baba ang dami sa atin.
Jumping.
Guys.
Air cooldown heal.
bola, bola.
Nakamitai. Kodo.
Downhill lang.
Gago. Uy, ako por.
Yumuwo.
Yo.
Oh,
I
Oh,
just
you're
found.
gonna go. Yeah, just go field, yeah.
Oh, that almost hit me.
I.
Ay,
Save right click.
C3 pre Vice ah. Wala si
Tama na,
Vice
di
na
nyo
yun.
daw kailangan, no?
Okay, nag-buy. Okay, may isa pa ako. Okay.
Jumping.
Okay, ice block.
Ice block.
Number ah.
Sure. 5-5. Out 5.
Five.
Out 5. Out 5. Oh.
No spike.
Ay, gago, may spike pala, wala nagko-call.
Baka di nyo kayo nagra-right click.
Baka may tao.
Putang ina, nilagan yung ano.
Jumping.
Palapit ah, ingat ah. Gago, hindi ko nasalo bro. Layo, puta.
Spike.
Less
Spike pre. Kailangan mo umilag, Marcos.
No, come.
Nice.
Can DA now.
Coach, motherfucker. Die.
Hindi mo lang nakaisang tick yung ano ko. Wala pang heal brad ah. Kalma lang. Drop ako asap. Ano? Wala tayong BT?
Already BT.
Oh, I wasn't hit.
Right, go back.
Care.
Ice.
Ice.
Hindi. May heal kayo? Wala.
Wala pa. Hold down pa sa akin. Malapit na lang ako.
Since you just change for me. You go here.
Oh, change daw.
Shouting.
Baka may tao.
Sana wag magay, gago. Sana wag magay.
Bola, pre.
Ice.
Aye.
Aray ko, may mata.
Oh. Uy,
The relic.
Relic.
the
Wala.
cure bro. I put it there for defense. Ang ena.
Jumping.
Ice block. Let's see.
My bad.
Three out. It's shouting, guys.
Bola.
Slow pa, right side, help right side ah. Nice.
Jumping.
Ano, ay,
Bola.
ay bro.
Jumping
Na
again.
mag-heal pag nasa left na. Ball again.
Bola.
Yun, tapos na boy. Tara na boy.
Dive ko, dive.
No welcome, no welcome.
Special ka boy.
Meron.
Happy.
Just stack better if there's
Sila mo na,
iron.
sila mo na.
Layo.
Diving,
Ay,
diving.
dive.
Dayo na.
Shimpuri Habara.
Spike, care spike. Awa, tanga na. Lumapit ka muna dito.
Okay ba? Heal.
Okay na yan. Doon tayo sa gilid. Heal na to. Wala na. Walang iilag. Sige nga.
Sige, oh. Sipa tayo, sipa. Boy, gago.
10 ano sa akin. 10k na sa akin.
6k sa akin, boy.
Or lang sa all bull.
Sumipa ako na. Gago ka. Walang kwenta yung
Tumipa ka na, tarantado.
Spike.
na spike.
Spike, pre.
Ayoko.
Alam mo na, still alam mo na. Araw ka na mag-dodge yan, oh.
Yeah, while you're chilling on the side, you can right click. Just to
Ta
top the point.
nag-homing niyan pa di.
Ano ako, ano, mana. Kayo naman,
Si
tangin nyo.
Aljan.
Si Aljan.
Baka-
Ba't
si
yan? Alam mo,
Aljan.
tagrab ulit tanga yan.
Geared ang ano ko yan, pahala. Abo lang mag-iba. Puta. Bading.
Second PT bro.
Pwede.
Third
Kaso si
PT.
Shukrani ano eh. MT. Pag
MFU
PT.
si Shuk
Running
eh.
FU.
MFU si Shuk.
Ay, may FU. Pwede eh.
Yeah, just weird. Yeah.
Sinabi ko, Giza.
Just put pots, dark pots on it and then times five.
Yan na ulit.
Spike.
I was thinking I'll
Sige,
just do magic pop and then half of.
Yeah.
2, 3, 1, 2,
Who's
3,
watching
4.
my SM bro?
2, 3, 4.
Good night.
Babsu.
Watching is
Thank
And
you.
right click.
Uy, thank you bro. Donate ka naman ng 1,000.
Pero wag mong gagayahin yung
Mini dive.
katangahan niya kanina. Is lang ah.
Gagi.
Huwag mong gagayahin yung
Ako
ganun.
ba, napekbig
Up
na.
or yun na ya? The last dive? Is
Yeah,
this the
next
last
Yeah,
dive?
this one is the last time.
15 is the
There's
last
one more.
dive?
There's one more. One more dive.
Yeah, when the bar finishes.
The last one
it'll
bro.
be
Oh
done.
my god,
I
Ivan,
know,
you've been
Gaga.
running
Boy,
so
ay,
much
ay, ay.
already, you don't know?
A very long time no run already. One
Yo,
Oh
you
my
know
god,
the-
uncle time bro.
Uncle time.
you die.
Having
You die.
memory loss.
Yeah,
Yes,
die.
man. It's scary, bro.
Oy, may pa... Yeah, Vice died, bro. I-fucking bro.
You die.
Already.
Ano
What
ka
did I
na
do after that? We go left side Ami,
Fair dive. Fair
so we
dive.
can do oh
Is
shit.
that the main dive or the...
I click the ulti.
The last
Yeah,
one.
last
The
one.
last
Last one. Main dive. Main dive.
Come.
Hey, what?
Ay.
Stay one kayo. Tara.
Gago.
Nice.
Nice.
Okay, finish,
Yo,
finish.
Come. May pan. Uncle.
Rebuff.
Rebuff.
Okay, positions.
Mifan and Sis. Yeah.
Yeah.
I know, bro. The fuck?
Oh my god, someone lure in the middle, bro.
Hey,
that's Marcus,
avoid the ice.
Marcus.
guys. Avoid the ice.
I can't. I'm dead.
Not.
Oh, no. May rest ka pa?
Meron pa. Tumikit sa akin.
Okay, avoid the ice.
Hindi, nawala eh. Sino kaya yan?
Marcus.
Careful the ice.
Uy!
Oh, don't do
Anyway,
it.
anyway.
Your eyes ah.
Just go on the side.
Ano nga mic nito?
Flying times 13. Puta na,
Ang
uncle
flying.
time ka din eh.
Ah,
Bobo
ano?
ka din ah.
Flower, bro.
Flower
Bro,
to,
Paolo,
flying. Teka, maya na. Ano na eh, flying na eh.
We're gonna do the dive.
Ako na wala ulti ko, boy.
Ang ina, throwing ang
Narangan.
puta.
Ulit ko kanina, gag. Uy, di ba kailangan doon?
Okay, we can.
Tara, haul.
Can you BT here, Mifan? Mifan.
IBT.
Thank you then. Get
Ready ako side, ah.
Mifan, and then,
Yeah. I know.
Go na.
Fight.
Got it. Mifan, yeah.
Yeah.
Gago.
Come na ako ba? Come na ako.
Waiting for next flower. I think we don't enough damage for next flower because no ulti. Maybe
Guys,
around
I have my ult. I have my ulti, we can help.
May ult na ako, boy.
Get ready for the flower, bro. Times 11.
Ah.
Yo, Marcus, come left side this one. I think he can solo with his ulti.
Diving.
He's just ulti your side.
Let's wait for the dive.
Tangina. Dive muna yan. Di abot eh.
Yan ko lang. Tara, baka mag-perfect to eh.
Well, for ours, I think we.
HL ko na to.
I think it's enough.
Okay.
Kaya
Okay.
No HL on you guys. We are both warrior.
Ulti just a.
We finished it anyways.
Times 10, ano nga mech dito?
Ice Claw, kasama ka. Putang ina mo.
Ice flow, yeah, 4.
Ang kill time ka din eh, no? Putang ina mo.
Mura ko na eh. Careful DPS. Now we go. MC Mifan.
Yes. Ano?
Anong kan?
Gago, di pa nga.
Wala pa ata ito ba?
Eh, wala pa.
Gago, wala pa.
Ice Claw muna.
Hindi, iiwan nyo lang naman yun
Ice
eh.
flow, ice
Ang
flow,
mga
bro.
iiwan lang naman dun yung ano, di ba?
Ano
Ano wala sa akin?
RDB.
310 cannon we same spot like last time. Yeah.
Yeah,
Because I'm not good at cannon, so I just take.
Are you good at something?
Oo.
I
Curtail, bro.
Uy,
Ready
gago.
head sana, boy. Tangina head sana. Nawa,
Wala,
kaya.
ano eh. Dapat sa ready lang eh.
Sayang, wala.
Patayin na natin ito.
Wala, napatay eh.
Careful, kanan guys. Kanan lang.
Yeah, prepare.
Still have fine. Still have fine.
Okay, I'm gonna go.
Okay, bro.
BT next
Pero ikaw daw.
group we can BT.
Right click, no?
Right click.
We can do this. A bit more. Nice.
Okay na,
Nice.
nice.
Huwag kang alis boy minsan. Baka mandali ka.
I can BT.
Bro.
Shit, I cannot hit. NBA, go.
Careful, lure. Tuman hulur. Bro.
Ako.
DPS muna. If you're on DPS, you guys, you can DPS. And then you dito ka na. Saka.
Ano, may idea ba kayo kung ano yung score?
Come on,
Boss.
Yeah, I'm checking.
Malapit na tayo yung akin.
6 minutes.
Namumuga pala ka.
No, good score.
Again, HL here bro.
Tang song.
6
Send me
minutes
your
left
ult.
na.
Kaya ito.
Is the cannon this one or?
Yeah, parang.
Lightning thunder. Go. Hit it, bitches.
Right
Right
click.
click.
Go now, right click.
Go. One more play. Perfect.
Okay, clear. Let's go.
No more cannon, yeah? You go deeper.
Still got right.
You still have ice blue.
Yeah.
I think one more.
Hindi, 2 more.
Roller now?
Do you wanna HL here? HL.
No, I have no.
Is it ice
You
power?
can 6, right?
Yeah,
No,
ice.
no more
Time
flower,
6.
bro.
Time 6 times
No
4.
more power, is it?
Yan na.
Can I do it?
No flower, I need the ice, yeah.
Ikarat!
Karat. Aray ko.
Ikarat, boy.
BT up.
Oh, okay.
Pag natatak ng ice claw, hindi ka na-damage.
Kinaw.
Boy.
Ano pre?
Pag na-attract ka ng ng ice claw, pwede saluin yun.
Ready ka,
Masastan to ah, masastan to ah.
Ano to? Wala naman na doon, di ba?
Gago kayo. Kalma nyo.
Ano magkano
Tayo,
this one?
par.
Kanon.
Flying.
Here, bro.
Kanan.
Yeah, that's one.
Kanon, tapos ice claw pa. Tapos puro na
Hit it.
kanon.
Right click. Nakalimutan ko, Mek. Ang tagal na ako.
Ano, 1 week lang.
Good.
Putang ina to.
Yun na nga eh. Tagal eh.
Control.
Fuck nga, bro. May HL ka, boy? Pwede ka mag-HL.
Meron.
Yeah, HL mo sila. Mga tanga yan.
Ano, masastan na to, pre. Stun.
I'm not even close to
Sa-
that.
I'm 13k already, so...
Let's go.
Let's go, bro.
Undo.
Boy,
Dapat
boys!
ako, boy.
Oh,
nice.
Diba, 3 minutes?
Patay ka, boy?
Right now is 8,000.
Oh, boy.
Patay ka, boy.
Putang
Enemy
ina.
five.
Bobo.
That's my again.
Kaya ginapit ko yung grinder ko. Cooldown. Jesus.
There's
Testing,
still-
testing. 3 minutes, 3 minutes.
Tuma. Good.
Someone take over right cannon.
Yeah.
Okay.
DC ang
Naano ko yung line drive dito.
Sayang.
No more ice claw, this one. Only kanan. 3 and 1.
Yeah.
Number 2.
Right click.
Click.
Are we missing DPS?
My bad na.
Nice.
2 minutes, guys, 2 minutes.
Finish it guys.
Pero sa kasi.
Kaya ng tail, pre. Pag kaya yung tail, go tail, hit the tail.
Kaya ba?
Wala na tong ice claw. Times 2 na to.
No, ice claw, just pure DPS until 1 ba?
Yeah.
Hit mo. Hybrid.
Di ako abot niyan, boy.
Rebuff for assist.
Yeah.
Okay lang.
1 minute, guys.
50,
Kulang.
30 seconds, 34 seconds.
Kanan, this one kanan ya.
Ito na dito kanan.
DPS first.
After this one.
Okay. Kanan.
Sayang.
Up.
Then on this one, please hit the tail, bro, so he gets stunned.
Right click.
Right click.
Nice.
Pass.
Oh,
Post tail,
40
post
seconds.
tail,
Kaya
post
pa
tail.
yan.
39 seconds. Ulti. Dito.
Shit, ang
Nice,
ganda.
tingnan mo.
No worry.
Dito okay. Just DPS.
Half time. Kaya naman mag-bot sa akin, di ba?
Alam mo, bobo ka.
Lagi ka nang pinabuhat.
Ay, ulul.
Ayan,
30.
go, keep hitting. Nice.
Ulul.
Ulul.
Tangina mo. Bobo ka, nagpakamatay ka. Yung mech ng nanonood sa'yo. Gago.
Oh,
Baka
my
mo,
bad.
pinapaya mo sarili mo.
Tarantado ka.
Tangina mo, bobo.
Tanga mo.
Save. Oh, at least may natutunan ka na, di ba?
Huwag mong gagawin.
So, wag mong gagawin yung ginawa niya. Putang ina.
Always.
The honors mark.
Tangina, parehas kami
Save your
ng
line
DPS.
time, always, bro.
Yeah,
Di ba,
that's bad
we have the
example.
same DPS, bro. What the fuck, bro? Arcus,
Yeah,
open it,
Go open,
bro.
Marcus. One tap mo naman yun. Uy, ring, boy.
Ring, tangina mo.
Wala, gago.